Have you ever tried deleting your WhatsApp chat backup from Google Drive but got lost in all those settings? Don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through the easiest and most updated way to permanently delete your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive in 2025. This is perfect if you want to free up space, reset your chat history, or simply improve your privacy. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share one quick tip to ensure WhatsApp doesn't create unwanted backups again. First, let's quickly understand what this backup is. When you back up your WhatsApp chats, they're stored in your Google Drive, not on your phone. Deleting the app or clearing chats won't remove this backup. It stays there unless you delete it manually. Now, here's how to do it step by step. Open Google Drive on your computer or phone browser. Go to drive.google.com and make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used for WhatsApp backups. Access your backups. On the left side menu, click on Storage. Then select Backups. You'll see a list of all available backups from various apps. Find the WhatsApp backup. It will usually have the WhatsApp icon or be named WhatsApp. Delete the backup. Right-click on the WhatsApp backup and select Delete Backup. Confirm the action when prompted. This will permanently remove the chat history from Google Drive. Once deleted, your WhatsApp chats won't be restored if you reinstall the app or switch phones using this account. If you don't want WhatsApp to create backups again, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings greater than Chat Backup and set backup to Google Drive to Never. This will stop any future backups from being stored. And that's it. Your WhatsApp backup is now completely removed from Google Drive, and you've taken control of your chat privacy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and share it with someone who might need it. See you in the next video.